Now that we've briefly gone over what you can find under the contracts module in VPO, let's dive a little deeper and get into the contract management submodule and how we can go about using that. Once you've clicked on the contract management submodule within the contracts dropdown, you can come over here and click the title of that project that you're trying to get into, and you'll see all the contract information for the project you're working on, from the contract name, who the contract is signed with, from Orange County Waste and Recycling, the contract number, how much retainage is held on the project, any contract documents, mainly the contract or anything else you want to attach within this section, the original contract cost, total approved change orders to date, any approved current change orders, the total certified, and the total completed to date as well. Moving over to the Schedule of Values tab, you'll notice a list of every bid item that was included in the contract and the totals in which have been paid to date and the original bid item quantities from the engineer. The next tab after Schedule of Values is your potential change orders. Now everything that changes is technically a potential change. Whether it gets approved or it doesn't, it's still potential, so we'll list it in here. You can either list them as a COR or an RFP, and we'll get into how you can do all the details of each of these potential changes in a future video. The next tab is your change orders tab. This is where you'll see any approved change orders that have been paid out or approved throughout the life of the project. If you need to start making changes to anything in your contract, you can get into your contract, and similar to every other module, go up and click the edit button, in which you can start scrolling through the individual tabs to edit or adjust the modified information. Once you've corrected any dates or spelling or any errors, maybe you want to add some more attachments, maybe some contract drawings or something, or you need to add a change order to your Schedule of Values, you can get in the Schedule of Values tab, scroll down to the bottom, add that item down here, all the important information to it. Or if you need to add any potential changes, you can do so under the Potential Change tab by scrolling down to the bottom and adding a new item. And similar to those two, you can do the same thing with the change order by adding a new item within the actual contract management module. Once you've done all that, go back and click Save, and it'll take you back to your contracts homepage.